Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your router guest network for safer IoT privacy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your router guest network for safer IoT privacy, start by accessing your router's settings. Connect your computer or mobile device to your router's network. Open a web browser and type in your router's IP address. Common IP addresses include 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Enter your router's login credentials. If you haven't changed them, the default username and password can usually be found on the router itself. Once logged in, look for the Guest Network option in the Settings menu. Click on it to access the Guest Network settings. Enable the Guest Network feature if it's not already on. Give your guest network a unique name, or SSID, that is different from your main network. Select a strong password for the guest network. Make sure the guest network is secured with WPA3 encryption if available. Set the network to a limited access mode to restrict guest users from accessing your main network. Look for settings that prevent guests from accessing local resources. Save the changes to the guest network settings. Next, ensure the guest network is isolated from your main network. This prevents devices connected to the guest network from communicating with devices on your primary network. Review the IoT devices connected to your main network. Consider moving IoT devices to the guest network for added security. Once done, check the guest network status for any unauthorized devices. Regularly change your guest network password to enhance security. Monitor the guest network activity through your router's interface. Schedule periodic updates for your router's firmware to keep security measures current. With these steps, your IoT privacy will be more secure while using the guest network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step